In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email address on Binance. So to change your email address on Binance, what you will need to do once you are on the home page here, you will need to click on this little avatar button here and then select security. And then once you select security, you'll be brought to this little section, and then if you scroll down a little bit, what you'll be able to see is email address, and then right next to that you will see an option there to change it. So if you click on change, what that will do is it will open up a new tab, and then as you can see, in order to change your email address, you must enable Google or SMS authentication. So if you haven't already done this, or it is a new Binance account, first of all, start by going ahead and doing Google or SMS authentication. So once you have gone ahead and set one of those up, what you will get is you'll get a verification code to enter into Binance. And then what you can do from there is simply enter in your new email address here. And then all you simply want to do then is put in your new password here and then click on confirm. And then that's how you can go ahead and change your email address on Binance.